Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Traders Lounge Africa, your number one trading YouTube channel for the latest market news and reports on both forex, volatility indices, as well as an update on specific educational content that can help you become a better trader. Remember, at the end of the day, our goal is to help you build your trading skills so that you can become a full-time trader earning a decent revenue from the market. Or if that is not your goal, at least help you to be in a position where you can at least earn a significant amount of revenue that can contribute to your overall financial goals. So let's jump straight into the analysis for this week, starting of the 8th. Sorry guys, I've delayed a bit. I had a bit of engagement in the morning, but it's never late. Today's on a Monday, and it's good we can be able to do a recap of what is happening in the market and see the opportunities. For this video, I'd like us to focus specifically on the dollar index, because from the dollar index, that will give us a collective overview of the general direction of the market. Then I can delve into the euro dollar. I will do extra videos after this video to dive deeper into the other instruments. So without further ado, when we look at the economic calendar for this week, the critical news coming up first of all is on Wednesday. On Wednesday we have dollar related news, basically the CPI, and this will be an extremely critical fundamental news item. Then after that, the next critical is on Friday, on the consumer sentiment of the pound. But the most critical news item for this week is the dollar CPI. Now, as you can see from there, and if I can go back to the market analysis, let's start with the dollar index. The dollar index, from a monthly perspective, you can see from 89.441, the market has this is back in 2020, the market has been on a bullish trajectory, and we still expect this price to go all the way up to the 180.663, out of which you can be able to decide whether it will still go up, still go down. But in the interim, if I come to the weekly analysis, the last couple of weeks we have had a bit of a retracement, as you can see, and last week's candle was a consolidation candle, giving us a signal of an upward direction. Therefore, if we go to the daily chart, price has been consolidating on this blue box. This blue box is our decisioning box in terms of entrance. Price has been consolidating, going up and forming higher highs and lower highs. Sorry, higher highs and higher lows. And as you can see, we are consolidating at the 106.57 with a possibility of breaking out of this market structure. Should we do that, then we definitely are looking at this move that will take us back to the 108,949 area. So my bias for this week for the dollar index is a buy, which will take us to the 108.949 area. And if that is the case, then basically that means the dollar is strong. Just to point a few other currencies, the overall view of the market currently is the dollar is strong, and then additional currencies that are stronger this week is the yen, Japanese yen, and the Swiss franc. For the weakest currencies, we have the Canadian dollar, we have the New Zealand dollar, British pound, and euro. And if that is the case, then in the next video that I'm going to do, I'm going to analyze and break down specific item by currency pair in terms of the opportunities we're looking at in the market. But that is the analysis for the dollar index. My bias is a bullish week with a target of 108.949. Let's look at the euro dollar. Euro dollar basically the dollar index is bullish. That basically means that the euro dollar is on a sell. But as you can see, this is the 8-hour chart. Let me go to the daily. We are still on a consolidation mode for the last several days. And guys, it will be so critical for you to know that as price consolidates, I'm actually looking at Wednesday as an opportunity to give us a during the US CPI data. That is when most likely you can see price breaking below these. Let me go, because as you can see, price is consolidating with a pullback to the upside. So let's keep on observing, but my bias would be either tomorrow during the New York session or on Wednesday. Should we break this ascending channel, then our target for the week is for price to drive down all the way to retest and break slightly the lower lows, which is at 99.30.9. So this is our target. And guys, always remember that should you want, in the course of the after this video, if you're interested to learn more about how to trade and to really get into the nitty-gritties of how and what point do you enter, what are the perfect entries, then you can drop me a chat in the comment section or DM us on the social media handles, and we can be able to build the conversation further. Otherwise, have a great week and good luck trading. Cheers.